Good afternoon children, welcome to today's class. In the previous class, we have already discussed the three types of formulas for the cube. Here all the dimensions are named as a side. Here lateral surface area is 4s square, total surface area is 6s square. If it is 5 faces, that is open top, then 5s square. Volume of the cube is base area into height, so it is s cube. If it is a cuboid, it is a length, breadth and height. LSA of a cuboid is 2h into L plus B. Total surface area is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. If it is a open top means 4 walls and ceiling or 4 walls and basement for the swimming pool or your bathtub. Here it is 2h into L plus B plus LB. Volume of a cuboid is L into B into H. Your fifth question is a comparison question, children. Here is a comparison between TSA and LSA of a cube and a cuboid. Cube edge they have given us 10 centimeters. Cuboid length is 12.5 centimeters. Breadth is 10 centimeters and height is 8 centimeters. So when to take LSA? See here only 4 walls. When they are mentioning only the 4 walls without the base and without the top, then you have to consider the LSA. First, let us see what will be the LSA of the cube, children. LSA of cube formula I know as 4 into side square. They have given one edge as 10 centimeters. Hence, when I square this 10, it becomes 100. 4 into 100 is 400 centimeters square. Next, LSA of an cuboid. Formula I know for only the 4 walls, that is 2h into L plus B. H is 8, L is 12.5, B is 10. On adding 12.5 plus 10, I get 22.5. On multiplying 8 to 0, I get 16. On further multiplication of 16 into 22.5, I will get 360 centimeter square. As I said before, it is a comparison question, children. Hence, LSA of cube is greater than cuboid. Can you see here? Cube is 400 and cuboid is 360. By how much they have asked on subtraction? I get 40 centimeter square. So, finally, I write LSA of a cuboid is smaller than cube by 40 centimeter square. Now here is a comparison for the TSA of the cube. TSA of the cube formula is 6 into side square. Side is 10 centimeter. 10 square becomes 100. 6 into 100 becomes 600 centimeter square. On coming to the cuboid, they have given TSA of the cuboid formula as we know 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Hence I substitute the values. Okay, on substitution and then further multiplication, I get 125 plus 80 plus 100. First add all these three children, you get 305. On further multiplication, I get 610 centimeter square. On comparing, you will come to know which is greater and which is smaller. Here, TSA of cuboid is greater than TSA of the cube. So finally, I write the conclusion that TSA of cuboid is greater than cube by 10 centimeter square. Here in your sixth question, it is a question regarding the TSA of an cuboid and along with that they have asked how to tape. Tape question is there is nothing but the perimeter of the cuboid, children. I'll explain you how to find that. Okay, tape means you have to tape the edges. So, it will become the perimeter of the cuboid. And the first question is what is the area of the glass? So for that you have to find the TSA of the glass. Length is given, breadth is given and height is given. Okay children, in your sixth question they have given length, breadth and height. I will substitute the TSA formula of the cuboid and I will substitute the values. Wherever there is L, I will write as 30. Wherever there is B, I will write as 25. Wherever there is H, I will write it as again 25. So on multiplication 30 into 25 becomes 750, 25 into 25 becomes 625, 25 into 30 becomes 750. On adding all these three I will get 2125 and further multiplication with 2 I will get as 4250 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the greenhouse. Now coming to tape required for all the 12 edges. Perimeter of the cuboid. So 4 into L plus B plus H. L is 25, B is 30 and H is 25. On adding all these three I am getting 80. Multiplication with 4 I will get 320. 320 centimeters of tape is required for the 12 edges of the greenhouse. Thank you children. Kindly copy the answers in your notes.